Now, sticking with the financials theme, record profits at Goldman Sachs means bigger paychecks for Goldman employees. Suzanne O'Halloran is at Goldman's headquarters in downtown Manhattan. And Suzanne, compensation is a controversial issue for firms that took TARP money. How did Goldman employees fare?
That's right, Matt. You know, Goldman employees didn't do too bad in the second quarter. They did see their pay increase. That's already reviving a number of critics of Goldman Sachs on the Democratic side, including Senator Brown from Ohio, calling foul when we learned that Goldman boosted compensation in the second quarter while it held that $10 billion in TARP funds. For example, Goldman set aside over $6 billion for compensation, salary, and other related expenses. That's up from over $4 billion in the first quarter. In fairness to Goldman Sachs, they have been among the first of the big Wall Street firms to return that $10 billion in government funds, so they did pay it back, and they are continuing to raise salaries. And Matt, the average paycheck for a Goldman employee, about $386,000, not too shabby. They did reduce their total headcount modestly by about 1%. Matt?
All right, so what drove the record results? I mean, in the middle of this financial crisis and this recession, how does Goldman come out with record profits?
Well, this was all about trading. They had record results in underwriting, equities, and fixed income, currencies, and commodities. So it was really a trading story. This is what analysts were expecting, Matt, and investors. They saw a strong business in the conference call, just wrapped up in the building behind me, and they say if the equity markets stay where they are, we should see more equity offerings, Matt, and that's really part of the big Goldman story. Back to you.
All right, Suzanne, thanks very much. We'll be going back to Suzanne throughout the day.